When new compliance-based products are launched within an organisation, it can sometimes be a real challenge. Organisations need to quickly make sure that information is communicated to agents. They need to make sure that those agents understand the relevant information and can prove their compliance. They need to be able to track and maintain records of that compliance. They need to make sure that only the right agents, those that are compliant, are taking the calls for those customers interested in that new compliance-based product. And they need to deal with any additional training that might be required across the organisation as a result of that new compliance-based product. In the past, keeping track of this could be a real challenge, liaising with multiple people across the organisation, maintaining multiple spreadsheets, whilst managing training at an individual level across the organisation. Using the Performance DNA system, however, subject matter experts, training teams and various other people across an organisation are able to work together to quickly create powerful content and push that information to the relevant people across the organisation. Employees are able to view information directly in the product in the form of videos or any other kind of content that's added to the system. Employees are then, at the end of looking at that content, able to sit an assessment to prove their compliance. When employees fail, Performance DNA makes it possible to send out additional deeper information to individual agents across an organisation. Also, crucially, they're able to stop calls being routed to those people that are not compliant, whilst they take their time to learn more about the product and gain their compliance. Managers are able to be involved in the reassessment discussions with their team members because they're able to track who's passed and who hasn't. They're able to reassess all of those agents, giving deeper information and then assessing them with slightly different questions to ensure that they're compliant. And at all times, they're able to keep records of all of these things stored within the system. Where agents pass, they're able to prove their certification by getting an actual certificate out of the system. Organisations are also able to ramp up and ramp down calls automatically due to the link between the skills detailed in the system and routing within the organisation. In addition, managers are able to keep track of what's going on in Performance DNA at a local level, within their team, so they can start to think about local initiatives for training as well. What this means in the end is any customer calling up with an interest in the new compliance-based product gets through to an agent that knows exactly what they're talking about and can give the customer exactly the information that they need, meaning happier agents and happier customers.